You know, I don't really like spiders because they're kind of creepy. What we've made out of them made them so wicked, but I cannot deny the webs are beautiful. Right in front of you. Look at that. Shining in through the light. Something special about these creatures. 8 legs. And they keep us humans, you know, some bugs. Little webs right there if you can't see them. And that beauty, that big bad boy. It's a big one right there. Right there. Okay. Look at that. Webs right there. Sorry. Got a friend with me. John, come here. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. So many sparkle just hits you differently.